Good morning to all. Myself Arul Soumya, working as an assistant professor in Department of Information Technology. Here I am going to share a topic on Introduction to Data Science. In that we are going to discuss about Data Science Lifecycle. First, the Data Science Lifecycle. So from question to impact. Here, a comprehensive guide to transforming data into actionable business value through structured iterative approach. Now we are going to see in an iterative approach of how data science lifecycle is transform a data into a actionable business values. So next, why the data science lifecycle matters. Firstly, we have to discuss about why the data science lifecycle matters. Here, data science projects are very complex, iterative endeavors that require a structured approach to deliver real business values. So, without the clear framework, projects can lose a direction how it went through the process, and it wastes the resources or fail to address the actual business needs. So following a well-defined life cycle ensures alignment with business goals, efficient use of data source, and continuous improvement throughout the project journey. So here we are going to see about step 1 process. So in step 1, we are going to discuss about the problem definition and business understanding. So how we define a problem now? So clearly articulate what problem we are solving and why it matters to stakeholders. So now we frame the questions in business terms, and then we align the goal. Like it ensures all the stakeholders to understand objectives, identify potential risk, and agree on success criteria before the proceedings. And then we choose the approach. So by choosing the approach, we have to discuss how the machine learning machine learning method, with which machine learning method is the right solution, or it would be a simpler analytical approach or be a better process. So now step 2. So in step 2, we have to analyze a data acquisition and understanding. By understanding these problem statement, now we are going to discuss what are all the data sources, or how we want to access the data here. We are saying this. So first one is identify the data source. So here, how we identify the data source? Firstly, we have to locate and catalog the relevant data from internal database, external APIs, or third-party providers, or by simply public databases. So next, second point, we have to collect and access the data. So now we are here, we obtain necessary permissions and establish the data pipelines, and we have to secure the access to all the required information. And then we have to explore the quality, like it access the data completeness, accuracy, consistency, and relevance through initial exploratory analysis. So and then we have to visualize the patterns. Here we create a summaries and visualization to uncover the hidden biases, anomalies, or unexpected relationships in the data. So next, in step 3, we have to prepare the data and clean the data. So the foundation of success, what is the purpose of data preparation and cleaning? So data preparation, in the sense, it is the most time intensive phase, so often consuming 50 to 70% of total project time. So in this critical work, we ensure our models receive high quality input. So here there are 4 types of values here. The first one is handle missing values. Here we impute, remove, flag, incomplete data based on context impact. Then next one, we have to remove the outliers. And then we have to fix inconsistencies. And then we have to standardize the formats and to resolve the duplicates. And then we have to, finally we have the engineer features, like it transform and create a new variables to improve model input quality. Next we coming to step 4, that is modeling and analysis. So in this modeling analysis we have 4 types, which is we have to select the algorithm, we have to train and validate the data, and we have to tune and optimize the data, and finally we have to evaluate the result. And then come to step 5. Here we deployment and deliver process have done. So how we deploy the production to the data. So first one is we have to deploy the production, and second one is integrate system, and third one is it enable the stakeholders, and last one is document, and everything we have to create in a comprehensive documentation that covering the architecture, dependencies, and operational procedure for maintenance teams. And next one is step 6. We are in this step we have to monitor and maintain the data. So by monitoring the performance and detecting the data drift and retraining regular basis, we have to retrain the models in a fresh data to maintain the accuracy. And then finally we have to gather the feedback. So here it shows the 50% of retention improvement, and 2.4 m of cost savings, and 92% of user satisfaction has done by HR managers to report the high confidence in the system's prediction. So this is the iterative nature of the life cycle. Here, how we embrace the non-linear process in data science. So data science is basically a non-linear, it is not a linear journey. So phase often repeat, and issues is during modeling that can send you back to preparation and deployment feedback. It might reshape our original problem definitions. Here the flexibility and communication are the key adapters of new discoveries to improve the opportunities of life cycles. So here we are coming to the conclusion by mastering the data science life cycle. Firstly, we have to clear the problem framing, and next quality data foundation, and next robust modeling, and last one is ongoing monitoring. So finally, the deployment is just a beginning that continues the monitor, and maintenance ensures to sustain a business impact. Thank you.